These are some elevators at the Marriott Hotel in Lancaster, Pennsylvania at Penn Square. These are Schindler. I believe they're 400A. Here it is. E. 300A. 330A. Here we go. This is the Penn Square location. E. Scratchy. E. It's a Schindler 330A. Nice floor. Go up 3. There's a wheelchair lift. Close. You were installed. Not sure when this was installed. Here we go. Let's listen to the. Ooh. You're nice. Basic Marriott, HT, ADA compliant phone, control panel, car number 6. Going down.
Reese, wait 1 second. Reese. I said just wait a second.
There it goes in. That's it.